Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve Olympiad Math Problem, that is 4 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x equals 40. You have to find the value of x. For this purpose, first of all, we will solve this as take 4 raised to power x as common, remaining is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that equals 40. Now 4 raised to power x into 3, that equals 40. Now 3 is divided to this side. So 4 raised to power x equals 40 divided by 3. Now take log on both sides. So log x4 equals log 40 by 3. It's mean that x equals log 40. Here subtraction will be applied, minus log 3 divided by log of 4. Now we will solve this further. Now in the next step we will solve this as x equals log 40. Make the factors of 40. 4, then we will write this as log 4 multiply 2 multiply 5 divided by log 4 minus log of 3. Now we will write in the next step, this will be as log 4 by log 4 plus log of 2 by log 4 can be write as 2 log of 2 plus log 5 by log 4 minus log of 3. Now in the next step we will write this as log 4 and 4 are cancelled out, log 2 and 2 are cancelled out, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus log 4 log 5 by log 4 and minus log of 3. Now 1 plus 1 by 2 will be equals 3 by 2 plus here we apply the log rule, according to that log base of 4 and 5 minus log of 3. Now this is the final answer of x. So we will write the answer here. This will be 3 by 2 plus log 5 4, then minus log 3. So this will be the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another most important Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.